just looking at the stack again, stack assembly, just to get an idea of what else needs to be done. So basically, the main components have been painted with an undercoat. I think another job that needs to be done is to sort out the finish on the neck rings, because it's this block board stuff. I did try to seal it in with some MDF sealer. No, actually, no, what did I use? No, it was wood rot hardener, that was it. To try and seal it in, but it didn't really do much. It just kind of soaked in, but it didn't really make much of a finish, like a varnish. So I think I'm just going to put filler on the edges, because it's mainly the edges where the block board has been exposed to the cutting process that you got this kind of rough surface, which isn't, isn't very shiny. It's supposed to look like metal, so I did try painting some black paint, which hasn't really done. It's only, if anything, it's just highlighted how bad the finish is going to look. So I think what I'll do is just put some filler all the way around, and hopefully, fillets, and then maybe some more wood hardener on top of that, and hopefully that should give it the required metal looking finish. I'm not too bothered about the rest of the body in terms of the finish, but it's really just about the dome. As long as the dome is looking good and the neck rings, and all the rest of it's going to be covered in slats and collars and mesh and all the other stuff. So not too worried about the finish on the midsection either, even though it is very kind of ropey here and there with lots of dinks and donks, and but I think some dark grey paint, it'll be okay. And same with the skirt. I'm not too worried too much about that either, because I think it'll all just blend in once it's all finished and painted. Dark battleship grey or whatever. But yeah, so it's really just about sorting out these neck rings. They also need to be adjusted because the heights are too close together, so I'm going to make them slightly wider apart so that the dome fits on properly. But yeah, there's like a million jobs to do, but it's just nice to do a stack again and just see how it's all coming together. But yeah, the main internal bits are done. It's all been nicely painted white inside. I might paint it grey later on, I don't know, but at least it's got the MDF sealed in now, and that's mainly what I've been doing today, is trying to just seal it all in, seal in all the wooden surfaces, and try to get the thing to be ready for the next stage, which is the mechanical bits, the wheels, the gun and arm joints, and the dome mechanism, and the electrical wiring, and all the rest of it. So yeah, but I think next job will be to tackle the neck rings and basically try and get those sorted out, and maybe put the fourth wheel on, because I've got 3 wheels on it at the moment, only 4 wheels I think, but yeah, it's looking nice. So it's looking a lot more Dalek-y now, even without all the hemispheres and stuff. Just having a paint job like this just seems to have, it's all kind of gradually getting there. So it's looking quite nice.